throughout ATV history. There has perhaps never been a more perfect sport machine for its time than Honda's ATC200X.
How you like that, bud? Then we got the garage cleaned out a little bit, and a couple projects going on. A little shop day today. Alright, so we started digging into the new 200X carb. We ended up getting this random jet kit to change the jets out because the main jet that was in this, I believe, was like a 95. The slow jet was a 15, which on a stock jets on the 85 200X are actually, I believe, a 108 and a number 40. So that was completely way off. So we actually ended up doing it because the slow jet that came with it, very small compared to what the other jets that we got. And you can see the size difference right there. So we ended up drilling and tapping for the slow jet. And we got the number 40 in there. And because this 200X has a Cobra exhaust and it's bored up a little bit in the piston sides, we're gonna go a couple steps higher on the main jet.
It's bored out.
Yeah.
420 over, I think.
Probably at least. So I believe right now it's got a, I think I put a 110 in there for now and try that. If not, then we'll jump up to like a 120 or 125. See if that runs a little better than what it did. All right, we got the new carb installed. Everything's hooked up. Even adjusted the shock a little bit. Was a little squishy at first. Nice and firm now. New fuel line added. This is ready to rip. What do you think, the old Preston Fraser sidekick?
Choke out or no?
Let's try it with
I always like that. You're gonna let it in. That's what it's doing. I don't know.
Choke's on. That's like nothing.
What?
That's like nothing. Right.
What's that?
Try it again.
I'm afraid you're just too darn loud.
Okay, so it's running, but still got some stuff to figure out. It idles for a little bit and then wants to die. So we're gonna check the plug, see what it's looking like. Maybe ride around and see what we can do. All right, we ended up changing the plug, ran a little bit better at idle. I got the plastic seat back on, kind of half put the headlight on just so I have some light because it's dark out now. Ride around, see how it does. Nick's got the pitter going on the ground now. Trying to figure out the throttle situation.
I think it's just this.
So what he has, one of these locking grips on there. Put some new extended throttle cables on it, and again locked up. You know,
So now I put the mini one back on.
The stock mini one on, and now it wants to work. But that grip worked for a while.
Worked for a year.
With the shorter cables, and now it doesn't want to do with the longer cables, so we're trying to figure that out right now. I hope we fixed all the bugs in it. It's running pretty decent right now. That's idle. Air pumped up in the tire. Take her back out. Nick's getting pretty good right now. That Cobra exhaust is loud, wow. I'd say that's not a bad, pretty decent success. 200 did pretty swell. Adjust the idle up a little bit. I think she's ready to go.
For sure.
Pitter's got some really good grip on it. We don't have any good like bare ice to dry it on, but a lot of the snow that's out there is pretty frozen and slippery, so it did awesome. So Nick got his hands on the whole RT5000. What do you think about her?
I don't know yet. It's been quite the journey getting it. Yeah.
All the way from Indiana, dropped it off for Nick while we were up north. She's been used.
tighten in there. We'll see if we can get her running and see if everything works decent.
Man. They didn't make the clips before.
Yeah, it's working. Wow. It's working.
Drift? What do you mean drift?
I am fast as fuck, boy.